Hello and welcome to a video tutorial of MLS Offers. MLS Offers has partnered with the Miami Association of Realtors to offer their services to its members for free. Visit miamirealtors.com/MLS Offers to find out more information. Here you can watch a brief video presentation on MLS Offers, instructions on how to set up your account to the right hand side, and the benefits available to all Miami members. Begin by logging into your Matrix MLS system and looking for your external links. Then select MLS Offers, sign up and log in. Follow the instructions to creating your MLS Offers account. Once inside your MLS Offers account, visit your name on the upper right corner and click on Profile. Here you're able to upload your photo and change your password. Now let's click on Back to Home on the upper left corner and then briefly set up your account by clicking on Settings. Here we can create a custom URL for our MLS Offers platform. Notice my custom URL reads Robert Miami RE. And here's my link. If you work in a team, you can add up to 6 different emails that will receive notifications of any offers that come through for your listings. Next, you want to create an instructions template. Here you're going to write offering instructions for your listings and then also provide any documents if needed. You can also create canned messages to respond to offers submitted by buyer agents inside the system. Lastly, you want to make sure that you add your license number to the MLS section at the bottom of the page. There are 2 ways to use MLS Offers, one as a listing agent and another one as a buyer's agent. Let's begin first as a listing agent. When entering a listing inside of the Matrix MLS, you'll notice in the financial office information section of the listing that MLS Offers is automatically enabled for all of your listings. If you want to disable the MLS Offers, you will select Disable and then click on Submit Listing. By having your MLS Offers enabled, you will give buyer agents the ability to submit offers directly through the MLS. So this is how it works. Let's preview a listing that has MLS Offers enabled and look in the broker remarks. Notice how there is a link that says Submit all offers via MLS Offers. This listing has MLS Offers enabled, allowing buyer agents to submit offers through the MLS. As a buyer agent, you will select Submit all offers via MLS Offers and then click on Make an Offer to the right hand side. You will immediately see the listing agent name and photo to the right hand side with the ability to access contact information. To continue to make an offer, select Make an Offer on the right hand side. You can preview the offer instructions left by the listing agent by selecting Offer Instructions and then continue to the offer form. From here, you're going to type the buyer's name, buyer's email address, the offering price, the estimated closing date, your purchase type, earnest money as your deposit, pre-qualified proof of funds, closing costs to be paid by seller, your financing type, any contingencies, and then a message to the listing agent, and then provide your offering contracts and all other documents down below by clicking on Choose File and uploading your file. Once finished, click on Submit Offer to the lower left corner. Success, you have now submitted your offer to the listing agent, and the listing agent has been notified together with everyone on their team. Now, as a listing agent, this is what you will see inside of your MLS Offers platform. Click on Listings, and here we have our one listing. Select, and then notice we have a new offer for $1 million with conventional financing from the buying agent, Robert Rodriguez. Click on the offer to see the details. You have your offer price with your earnest money, no contingencies, and proof of funds have been qualified, and yes, this is conventional. Expected days to close, November 30th. All documents will be provided at the bottom. After the listing agent discusses the offer with their sellers, they can click on Actions to the upper right corner, make a counter offer, send a message, or reject the offer. Go back to the listing information. If you'd like to accept the offer, first you want to make sure that you do not have any other accepted offers inside the system. So notice I do have an accepted offer down here. So we're going to go ahead and deny this offer by selecting the offer and going to Bulk Actions and then clicking on Reject Offer. Now let's select the new offer, go into the offer, and then go to Actions, and you want to accept this offer. Write a message to the buyer agent, choose the status as contingent or pending, upload any documents you want to submit to the buying agent, and then click on accept offer. The buying agent will now be notified that their offer has been accepted. Now here's what we see from the buying agent side. You want to select buyers, and you'll see all the rejected offers that the buying agent has, plus the one accepted offer. Let's open the accepted offer, and you'll see that this offer has been accepted. And now you can continue to add home inspector, the lender, the title company, escrow, and add other elements to the transaction down below. As you can see with MLS offers, buyer agents and listing agents can manage their offers all from one platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.